Hello to Madam Jamie, my name is Rider Ivan Minor. So the slide contents: number 1, introduction. The first one is stacked bar chart. The second one is infographics. Number 2, content. The first one is the overview. Then the second one is the features. Then the last one is conclusion.
So, my name is Mohammed Khalid Hanais, and I will introduce you about pie chart. A pie chart is a circle that is divided into areas or slices. Each slice represents the count or percentage of the observations of a level for the variable. Pie charts are often used in business. A pie chart divides data into separate sections to show which individual parts make up the whole.
Hello there, I'm Evo. So for this part, I will be explaining about the overview of the infographics that we found on the internet. The infographics is showing Malaysia's e-commerce retail market in 2016-2021. All the retail are measured in USD million with different categories of goods that are on the market during that period of time, which is from 2016 until 2021. The infographics is showing us the positive numbers that had occurred annually in Malaysia's e-commerce retail market. Last but not least, for the overview of this infographics is the source of it, so which is from the Solidian's Research and Analysis Total E-commerce Market, eMarketer 2016, and Solidian's estimates. So with that, it's obvious that we didn't make this up. Next, based on the given data that was shown in the infographics, we had generated a clustered column chart which will be explained by me, and a pie chart that will be explained by my fellow teammates later on. So let's start with the clustered column chart that is showing on your screen right now. Looking at the chart, the x-axis is representing the year of 2016 to 2021, while the y-axis is representing the US million dollar, scaling from 200 million to 400 million and so on. Looking at the clustered column that are in the chart, it represents the type of goods that were in the e-commerce retail market during that period of time. Moving on to the market trend that was shown in the charts based on the given data. As we can see, the chart is showing us a positive numbers from year to year. For example, the electronics and media market with the orange column are increasing gradually each year with a small gap of differences within the previous year. While on the other hand, the house, furnitures and appliances that were presented by the green column are increasing massively, leaving a huge differences gap from year to year. Lastly, the chart surely indicates a steep gradient of e-commerce retail market in Malaysia between the year 2016 and 2021 with increasing value each year. And with that, I end this part. Next presenter please.
And I am going to present my part in stating the difference between the pie chart of 2016 until 2017. So, the main difference that I have found is the total sales in 2016 and 2017. So the total sales in 2016 is 895 million US dollars, while in 2017 the sales went higher, which is 1,115 million US dollars. So there are 5 parts which consist in making up the pie chart, which is fashion and accessories, food and personal care, household furniture and appliance, toys, hobby and DIY, electronics and media. So the percentage also changes due the year. Fashion and accessories decreases by 1%, which is 13% to 12%. Food and personal care decreases by 1%, which is 7% to 6%. Household furniture and appliance increases by 5%, which is 21% to 26%. Toys, hobby and DIY increases by 1%, which is 17% to 18%. Then lastly, the electronics and media decreases by 4%, which is 42% to 38%. So that's it for my part. I am going to pass the presentation to my group mate. Thank you.
Hello madam, my name is Muhammad Sharizan, and now I will present about differences between pie chart in 2018 and 2019. So firstly, we go to total sales. In 2018, it's 1,420 USD million, while in 2019, it's 1,770 USD million. So firstly, we go to the green part, that is household, furniture and appliance. So firstly, the percentage of Malaysia e-commerce retail market by the total sales, it's increased 4% from 31% in 2018 to 35% in 2019. Secondly, the orange part, that is electronic and media. So the percentage of electronic and media by the total sales is decreased 4% from 34% in 2018 to 30% in 2019. So next is a red part, that is toys, hobby and DIY. So the percentage of toys, hobby and DIY by total sales is increased by 1% from 17% in 2018 and increased to 18% to 2019. So next to fashion and accessories. The percentage of fashion and accessories by total sales is decreased 1% from 11% in 2018 to 10% in 2019. So lastly, for the blue part, that is food and personal care. So the percentage of food and personal care by total sales are not changed from 2018 to 2019 with only 7%. So that's all from me. I will pass to Claire Clean Handlers. Thank you. So the next one, I will tell you about percentage of Malaysia e-commerce retail market in 2020 and 2021. So there are two items that have been not changed in 1 year. The first is food and personal care, and the second one is toys, hobby and DIY. So food and personal care is 7%, and toys, hobby and DIY still 18% in 2021. So there are also two items that have been decreased from 2020 to 2021. The first item is fashion and accessories. In 2020, the fashion and accessories is 9%, and in 2021, the fashion and accessories is decreased to 8%. The second item is electronics and media. In 2020, the electronics and media is 27%, and in 2021, the electronics and media is decreased to 23%. So there are only one item that have been increased in 2020 to 2021. The item is household furniture and appliances. In 2020, the household furniture and appliances is 39%. In 2021, is increased to 44%. So that's all for me. Thank you.
As a result, the Malaysia's e-commerce retail market is taking a big leap towards a bigger number annually. It surely portrayed a bigger opening towards newcomers to the industry, while letting the experts continue to blossom for the next coming years. And this will be the end of our presentation, and we bid thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.